statement is my butterfly, so I don't have to put any smaller print necklaces or anything. This is one bold piece, but then I make it simple with my little hoop earrings. I have smaller rings on today, but I could have done maybe a not a huge cocktail ring, but something that maybe a medium size, because again, my dress is going to be the focal point, and then this piece is going to sort of make a bold statement as well. For dresses, yes, it's really easy to do that. V-neck again is another way to make my dress kind of pop because of my skin and my glitter, because I'm a glitter goddess. Belts, you kind of have to be careful with them because depending on where the dress, if it has any type of accentuation around the belt, the waist anyway, it depends on whether you need a skinny belt or a wide belt. You don't want to be accentuating an area that's already maybe a little bit of a problem area or challenge area for you. So be careful with belts. I would say just an A-line dress would be a great option because you don't have to put a belt on that, or maybe a wrap dress because you don't have to belt that either. And earrings, again, I have my famous hoops, and then shoes for heels. I would normally wear like some fluffy heels, but you could wear pointed toes. Those will always make you look taller too, without the last question we had. And they make you look a little taller along with your dress.